X attempted to smuggle currency and other contraband goods out of India. The goods were seized and the customs collector passed orders confiscating the goods and imposing, इसको ध्यान से पढ़िएगा, I'll ask you the answer. Under the Sea Customs Act, on a subsequent complaint by the customs authorities on the same facts, X was convicted by a criminal court. X argues that this amounts to double punishment and is illegal. Decide.
One was criminal, one was.
Huh?
First, you only impose penalty.
Yes. Not only that, it's an administrative executive action. It is not by a court of law. Collector customs, आजकल जिसको कमिश्नर कहते हैं, he is acting as a quasi-judicial authority under Sea Customs Act, and his action is that of an executive action. Confiscation. आप गोल्ड लेके आ रहे हो दुबई से, एयरपोर्ट पे पकड़े जाते हो, तो वो क्या करते हैं, पहले आपका गोल्ड कॉन्फिस्केट करेंगे, पहले तो सीज कर लेंगे, उसके बाद फिर आफ्टर ए हियरिंग collector will pass an order, confiscated. But you have also violated Customs Act, for which there is punishment under criminal provision. So you can be tried for that. This is the case.
So here we won't say that one who is criminally accused later. We just say that because it is.
They may say, कोर्ट में आस्क कि भाई कहाँ है प्रॉपर्टी, जब वो तो कॉन्फिस्केट हो गई है, ठीक है, कॉन्फिस्केशन का ऑर्डर दिखाइए, ये लीजिए ऑर्डर,